Assalamu alaikum. Today I am explaining the topic of the kidney on specimen. Here the right and left kidney is shown. Both kidneys are ovoid in shape and they are retroperitoneal organ present on the posterior abdominal wall, one on each side of the vertebral column at the level of the T12 till the L3. But there are slight changes in the left and the right kidney, as the right kidney is obliquely placed while the left kidney is vertically placed. Similarwise, both kidneys have the hilum of the kidney where the entry or the exit of the arteries, veins and ureter passes. The hilum of the left kidney is present at the level of the L1, while the superior pole, this is the superior pole of the right kidney, and this is present at the level of the L1 or the transpyloric plane. So this shows that the right kidney is slightly lower as compared to the left kidney. Now the poles, borders and the surfaces. Both kidneys have anterior surface as well as the posterior surface. So this is the position of the kidney, of the right kidney. This is the anterior surface, posterior surface, lateral margin, medial margin, superior pole and the inferior pole. Both the kidneys, on their superior pole is present a suprarenal gland, right and the left respectively suprarenal glands. Capsule of the kidney. Kidney contains three coverings. The innermost covering is a capsule, which is also called the perinephric fatty layer or the perinephric capsule, which contains most of the fats present in it, and it also covers the sinus of the kidney. Then after the capsule, the outer layer is called the pelvic fascia layer, which is also called the Gerota's fascia. And outer to the Gerota's fascia, this is the paranephric fatty layer, which is also a fatty layer, and mostly these fats are present on the posterior surface of the kidney. The posterior surface of the kidney. So now the impressions. Right and the left kidney have many impressions present on its anterior and the posterior aspect. Medial margin have an impression of the duodenal areal impression. The superior pole have an impression of the suprarenal gland. Middle of the anterior surface has the impression of the hepatic impression. This area is called the hepatic impression area, and the lower side is the colic impression area. Similarwise, the left side. The superior pole have the left suprarenal gland areal impression. Mid side is the gastric impression. Then the pancreatic impression and jejunal areal impression or colic areal impression. And the lateral margin have the impression of the splenic impression. On its posterior surface, both the kidneys of its posterior surface, the superior part have an impression of the duodenum, and the lower side there is an impression of the psoas muscle and the quadratus lumborum. Right and the left kidney. One thing you always remember that VAUA. V means vein, A means artery, U means ureter, and then A means artery. So it means that one vein, two arteries and one ureter passes from the hilum of the kidney. VAUA. You always remember the word VAUA. V means the superior most, the superficial most is the vein. This is a vein. The collapsed structure is a vein. This is called a renal vein. V, then A. This is the renal artery. U, this is a ureter. And A, this is also a artery.